Hi guys, so welcome back to Code with Mousree. So today we will learn a beautiful thing and it's called mailings, or you can say mail merge in Microsoft Word. So it's a type of, it's a kind of coding. It's all the features in the Microsoft Word is based on codings. Okay, so let's go to the mailings and start mail merge. So here is an option I want to tell you that. Start mail merge step by step merge wizard layers as you want, and yes, current document, and I will browse a list. So what you should wait a bit. For that I have to click here, and then here will be an option. You have to do it. Okay guys, so it is done, and now I will write a letter. So now I have to write the letter. Okay, let me write the letter. Okay, so it's something like this. Now I have to write a letter. Does it come? Okay, no. Then write your letter. Now this insert much fill comes. Now first name. Okay, so the first name comes here. So don't do it. First write this. Insert much fill. Now first name. Now in address. Okay, 2. It's just a small problem. Okay, now in address 1, now do space and insert multiple the address line 1. Okay, and also here first name. Okay, fine. So it's now, you think that it's done. Now finish your merge, edit individuals. Now write 1. You can say from 1 to 2 if you want to convert it, but I want it all. So okay. It's something like this. So guys, I was having a problem, like, so why I was having problem, I just want to tell you that why I was having problem, because I write it here that it was like, what am I saying, you can say that I write it first name but it will be title, because I just say it like that. And okay, don't bother the address, it's just by mine. And so how to do it? So I will just insert it down and write here as title. Done. Then preview letters and select individuals. Okay, I just changed here this. So because I wanted to change, because I don't want to tell address really, because it was a real address. And this is okay. So the complete mail merge is like this. I write it just this as a title and address. So it happens so many of same letters, but the name and the title or the address is different. So if you do it in like printing out and writing, it will take, like, it is just 3 persons. If it will be like hundreds of persons, wow, it will be really tough. And writing in computer also take time for hundreds of person, and 2 folder again, address again, 2 further. So it will be really tempting, but this, in this way, it will be done in just 5 minutes. Okay, so I hope you liked it. If you liked it, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye guys. Oh well, you should save it here. Okay, 2 sister. Done. And this has many features. I will tell you step by step. So today's lesson was just about mail merging. So guys, bye.